Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Pete with you here. How are you all doing? You doing okay? Staying safe? Taking care of each other? I sure hope so. Well, today I am back up in the port deposit area. Now, if you remember last week when I went to Conowingo Dam, I saw a lot of eagles and some vultures. Well, today I decided to come back up and come to the other side of the Susquehanna and check out the Octoraro Creek Trail. Never been here before, never done it, so we're gonna do this together. You ready? Let's go. So here's the sign when you come in. Now I came in, that's 222 right there. If you go down, you make a left, that'll take you over the dam, and going that way will take you right into Port Deposit. You can see there's a field here with some, looks like baseball diamonds, maybe there's a football field too. And over that way, I think you can pick up the other end of the trail down there. And also people are going fishing. I saw some cars pull up and people get out with their fishing rods, so they're going fishing. And here's the sign right here. Octoraro Creek Trail. These are the fish that are in the creek. And of course, bird watching. We saw eagles when I did the Conowingo Dam vlog last week. And we saw a few eagles and also some vultures, and went on the trail over there. Right now we're going to check out this trail and we're going to see what we find on it together. So let's go. So you can see in this park there's a little playground. Looks like somebody left their bike here. Alright, so here we go. Heading down this trail. Like I said, I've never been here before. Wanted to check it out. It's about 58, 59 degrees, which isn't bad, but it's misty and it was raining off and on earlier today. And instead of staying in, I said I'm going out, because I like to go out whenever I can. Again, there's 222. There's a bridge right there that I came over. And there's the Octoraro Creek right down here. And on better days, people could sit here on this bench and just enjoy this view right here, which is very nice. Here's a look at that bridge. But what a nice view here. As you can see, it's kind of muddy. We got a wet bench there. So we're gonna go check out what's down this way. There's this warning sign right here that says water level can rise rapidly with or without warning. Flashing red lights and sounding sirens mean rising water level. Exit area now. Thankfully, nothing like that is happening today. So I'm walking down this trail right here. Again, never been here before. Only just recently heard about this trail. So I decided to come up here today, and especially since I did Conowingo, which was on the other side, last week. So we're gonna check this out together, and who knows what we're gonna see. And you can see there's some puddles here. Very wet, but I can deal with it. Wet I can deal with. When it's icy, that's another issue. Right, so there's a little path here, I guess, to get another view of the creek. We'll go check it out. Gotta be careful with this mud. Here you go. Yes, I'm being careful. But look at this. It's pretty cool. Back on the main trail now. I don't want to jinx anything, but it actually looks like it's clearing up. It's not even misty anymore. It's just actually pretty decent. But let's keep our fingers crossed that it doesn't rain. All right, here's another one of those little trails that go off to the creek. We'll check it out. So I like to check out as much as I can for all of us. And look, there is another bench here. A wet bench today. But just a picture on a very nice sunny day, coming here, sitting on this bench and just checking out this view here. Something just splashed over there. But how nice is this? Yeah, this is great. I love discovering new places and things, and this is one of them. I'm glad that I came today. All right, so I'm back on the trail again, heading down this way, which is toward the Susquehanna River, which is where the Octoraro Creek runs into. And here's another path that I took that was to the right to go to the creek to see this other view. And of course there's a bench there. But here is that view. Very impressive. Don't you think? And something just jumped in out of the water there. But how nice is this, guys? Very pretty. Even on this overcast day, it's pretty. I really enjoy seeing things like this. It's very peaceful up here too. I'm gonna have to come back. So continuing down here, there's a trail off to the left. The creek is that way to the right. There's a burnt log. There's a little trail here. I'll just show you guys where I am right now as compared to where I parked. And speaking of parks, that's the park right there. And way back there, there's the Beetlemobile. So I'm back on this trail here, and I can see the Susquehanna River through the trees ahead there. So we're very close to that. So we're going to continue down there in just a minute or so, but right here we're going to take this little muddy trail because I want to show you where Octoraro Creek goes into the Susquehanna River. And I see people down here fishing. All right, so here you have the Octoraro Creek coming down this way. and then it goes right into the Susquehanna over here. And there's some people fishing. This gentleman said that he's getting some bites but hasn't caught anything yet. We see them jumping. So I was talking to that guy, and he said he's been coming here every weekend for the past few weeks, fishing at that spot. Never got a bite. But today he said he's getting a lot of bites. So I have a feeling today might be his lucky day. All right, gang, we're back on the main trail. And again, there's the creek going into the Susquehanna. So I came down to this area here. That's where I came from. That will probably take you back to the parking lot. But over here, look at this. Again, very muddy. Looks like somebody had a fire going here at some time. But you have a picnic table here. And look, right over there. That's where I was last week. So imagine, if you will, summer day coming here. It's a beautiful day, the sun is out. It's about 78, 80 degrees. You can sit right here, bring your lunch, have a little picnic, and enjoy the view back there. Look at that, isn't that awesome? It's the Susquehanna River right there. This is very nice. Right along here. You can see, I mean, it did rain quite a bit. Got a bit muddy too. This is nice that they have these benches in different spots where you can just sit and chill out and enjoy the scenery. I moved down here a little bit so we can get a glimpse of the dam from this side of the Susquehanna. And there it is, right there. And that island right there, that is Roland Island. And just beyond that, that's the parking lot that I was in last week. Remember, we saw some eagles and some vultures too. And then I went on the trail, which was down that way. Went pretty far down too. But I've never been on this side. So this is a treat for me. Really hope you guys are enjoying this too. It is very peaceful up here. And again, and if you haven't been, come check it out sometime. This is very nice. So here's an even better view of the Conowingo Dam from here. And you can see it has, some of the floodgates are open to allow water to come through. The dam has 53 floodgates. It looks like just a few are open right now. What a view from here though. And over there, there's the Octoraro Creek. All right, we're gonna go check out some more. So as I was walking back up on the trail, I mean, check out these trees. This is incredible, look at this. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before. I mean, roots. And look, this one here too. And over here. That's amazing. It really is. It's amazing. Very soon, all this is going to be turning green. So as I was walking down the trail, it almost looks like there's some foundation here, which I was not expecting to see, but I'm pleasantly surprised to see it. Check that out. And there's more over here. And look at this. I had no idea this was here. This is really cool to see. As you guys know, I love seeing things like this. This is just simply amazing. Whatever was here, they had that to look at. If any of you guys know what this once was, please let me know. Post it in the comments below. Let's go further exploring. Maybe we'll see more. There's a tire right there, but it doesn't look like it's corroded or anything at all. It looks pretty new. And there was another one over here too, right there. So I walk down this way and check out this. There's some little tiny islands here. What did I notice? There's the sun trying to come out. This is very cool. Way back there, there's another look at the dam. I just think it's amazing that these trees stay up like that. They're that strong. So I'm walking down this trail, and so far I haven't seen any other structures, but I'm still keeping my eyes open as we walk down this way a little more. So I came to this area right here, which looks pretty cool. Looks like some people had a fire sometime. Look, there's a island right there. There's an opening. Here's another one right here. And you can kind of see how far I came. I was right up there. There. This tree looks like it's about to fall, but I mean, again, must be pretty strong to stay up like that on that slant. So we're heading up this way now. The trail no longer goes alongside of the river. It heads up this way. What I've learned about looking for ruins since I've been vlogging, which has just been over a year now, is the sun's coming out. Isn't that great? It's great. But anyway, this is the way you want it to be. Like bare, no green. That way you can see things a lot better. So, with that said, let's see if we can find something. So I'm walking up this trail right here, and it's alongside of this little stream. I don't know what that is there. Is that a cabinet or something? Keeping my eyes open for structures. So far I only saw that one. That got me very excited, thinking I might find some more. So I went venturing into the woods a little bit just to see if I could see anything, but didn't see anything. No structures, no foundations, so oh well. It's happy to see the one though. I'm gonna start working my way back, and it looks like I have to cross a little stream. All right, we're gonna cross over right here. This man-made contraption. More mud to deal with. That's all right. There we go. So, yep. Looks like I'm coming upon Conowingo Park, which is where I parked. Way back there. But you can see they have a baseball diamond here. Looks like there's another one over here. It appears they play football as well. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's vlog. I figure I would end it where I started it, right here. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for all the nice comments that you left. I really appreciate that. And I promise more fun adventures are coming up. I want to thank you all for joining me, and thanks to all the new subscribers too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And remember to be nice to each other, and whenever you can, not wearing a mask, share a smile. It's contagious. I will see you on the next one. This is Pete saying peace. See you next time.